Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to start off with this. So this is a 67 Chevy C10, and the artwork looks really beautiful in this one, so I bought it. So let's unbox and see how this one looks in hand. So a lot of people are actually asking me to unbox the end case, so I went ahead and bought it. So luckily I was able to get all the main ones. Okay, now I remembered that the STH in this case was Celerio GT, and I really don't like that one. So I saw a lot of normal Celerios, but honestly, I'm not a fan of that car. And maybe if it is a STH, I would have bought it. That's the only car I didn't get in this case. Yeah, okay. So here is the casting itself. So the first impressions of this casting, this looks really beautiful. And so for a change, I can see the paint job looks really nice. So far, whatever we unboxed, like 95% of the cars had some issues with the paint job. So this does have some issues, like you can see the scratches here, in this, wheelbase here. And the paint is actually matte red base with, kind of, what I can say, ivory with black wrapping on top. So this one says keep driving and this one says E. So someone in the comment, I think couple of people mentioned in the comment, this year it spells creativity. So thanks for that. And as usual, there are no headlight details, but at least it is embossed. You can see that here. It's not just a piece of metal. This piece is actually plastic and it is embossed. So which is actually a good sign compared to not having anything there. And there are no tail light details here. And the chassis is plastic. And the bumper here and this part here, this piece, front bumper and rear bumper, including that headlights and all these pieces are actually plastic. These are not metal. So only the entire body is metal, and even including this part here and the seats and everything, it's chromed out, but it is plastic, all are plastic. So overall the casting looks nice. It is not that heavy, maybe a little bit heavy, but not that much. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll well, but the problem is it is veering to one side. See, you can see that it is going on more towards the right, especially this. It is going like this, but still it rolls better than a lot of mainlanes which we unboxed recently. I don't see any wheel wobble. Okay, maybe a little bit is there, but not much. It is not that noticeable if you are playing with it. Specifically, if you are, I don't know if it is good on tracks because it is veering to one side and especially to the right side. At least mine is doing that. And the wheels looks pretty basic, but it has that ivory color theme, ivory theme on it, tires. So which matches this specific car, which is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.